Join me, friends, as I do something really cool with this Dollar Tree V plate. Hey, everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. Now, firstly, I got this at a tag sale. Free. It is a candle holder, right? I just popped that metal thing out. I don't know what it is. It's to hold the candle, whatever. But now I'm going to sand it because you can see it's a little bit of a rough shape, right? So all I'm going to do is just sand it pretty heavily. I went anywhere it was shiny, I sanded. Anywhere that it had, I sanded everything except for the very, very bottom because that had some felt on the bottom and I wanted to make sure I didn't ruin that. But there's that, right? We wipe it down. And I'll be honest with you, I am grooving on how it looks. I like how it's a little distressed and, a little vintagey looking. I love it. I love it so much. Look at how fun. And again, I just went over all of the places where it looked yucky or where it was shiny, which is, again, pretty much the whole thing, but whatever. Anyways, and I'm using two different kinds of sandpaper. One is like 100 and the other is 240, I think, if that matters. Usually I don't look because I don't know about you, but I just use whatever I have. But this one, the higher grit was nice because it actually took down that shine. Just an idea, just a thought for you. Anyways, so then I have this plate from Dollar Tree. Remember, we were shopping the other day and we found them because one of you messaged me. Thank you, Debbie. Anyways, I'm going to take the sticker off the back, which how I do it is I just heat it up with my embossing gun and it just peels right off. You do how you take yours off, however you'd like. I put some rubbing alcohol on this towel and I wiped the back and then I wiped the little candle holder. Now I do have a circle. It's like a little wooden circle and I'm using this Aleene's glue. It's a new glue that they sent me and I am so excited about it. It is supposed to be similar to E6000 except it doesn't make me sick, right? So I'm putting a little bit on our candlestick holder and I'm putting some hot glue on it too because I want it to stick immediately. And then I put my little wooden circle on that. And then we're going to put some more of that Aleene's heavy duty glue. We're going to put that on our little circle. The reason why we're doing the circle is so that we have more surface area to put on the plate so that it has a better chance of staying together. Does that make sense? I'm also, again, going to put hot glue because I have zero patience to wait to see if this project looks cute. We got to have it stick right now. But that hot glue won't last. So that's why we're doing both. There's that. And then I bring the candlestick holder to the plate and I put it on the bottom. Now, is it still off? Yes, but I'm off and I'm okay. So it's fine. But look at this. Are you kidding? I am so loving it. And again, the reason why I did this was because, I could use a plate every once in a while. But if I use this on my desk, and I'll show you at the end with the pictures, if I use this on my desk, then I could use it every day. Look, I could put beads on it or whatever little knickknacks that I need to while I'm doing a project, right? So much fun. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.